Australia offers a various job opportunities in the field of agriculture, and BSc in agriculture can provide you with a solid foundation for these roles. Some potential job options include agronomist. As an agronomist, you would work on optimizing crop production by applying scientific principles and techniques. This involves analyzing soil conditions, recommending fertilizers and pesticides, and providing guidance to farmers. The salary range for agronomist in Australia varies but can be around 50,000 Australian dollar to 1 lakh Australian dollar per year. Agricultural consultant. Agricultural consultant provide advice and expertise to farmer and agricultural businesses. They help with farm management, sustainable practices and improving overall productivity. Salaries for agricultural consultant can range from 60,000 Australian dollar to 1,20,000 Australian dollar per year. Livestock manager. Livestock manager oversee the care, breeding and management of livestock such as cattle, sheep or poultry. They ensure the well-being of the animal, implement breeding programs and manage farm operations. The salary range for livestock manager can be around 55,000 Australian dollar to 90,000 Australian dollar per year. Research scientist. Research scientists in agriculture conduct scientific research to improve agricultural practices, develop new technologies and enhance crop yields. They may work for universities, research organizations or private companies. Salaries for research scientists can vary widely depending on the scientific role and experience but can range from $70,000 to 1,50,000 Australian dollars per year. It's important to note that these salaries ranges approximate and can vary based on factors such as experience, locations and specific employer. Farm manager. Farm managers are responsible for overseeing all aspects of farm operations, including crop production, livestock management, and machinery maintenance and financial management. Salaries for farm manager can range from 60,000 Australian dollar to 1,20,000 Australian dollar per year, depending on the size and type of the farm. Agricultural economist. Agricultural economists analyze economic data trends to provide insights and advice on agricultural policies, market conditions, and pricing strategies. They may work for government agencies, research institute, or private organizations. Salaries for agricultural economists can range from 70,000 Australian dollar to 1,50,000 Australian dollar per year. Food technologists. Food technologists work on developing and improving food products, ensuring their safety and quality and nutritional value. They may be involved in research, product development and quality control. Salaries for food technologists can range from 50,000 Australian dollar to 1 lakh Australian dollar per year. Agricultural engineer. Agricultural engineer apply engineering principles to design and develop machinery, equipment and systems for agricultural purposes. They work on projects related to irrigation, drainage, farm structure and automation. Salaries for agricultural engineer can range from 60,000 Australian dollar to 1,20,000 Australian dollar per year. Sustainable agriculture specialist. Sustainable agriculture specialists focus on implementing sustainable farming practices, promoting environmental stewardship, and enhancing long-term productivity. They may work on projects related to soil conservation, water management, and organic farming. Salaries for sustainable agriculture specialists can vary but can around 60,000 Australian dollar to 1 lakh Australian dollar per year. Agricultural Extension Officer. Agricultural extension officers work closely with farmers and rural communities to provide them with information, training, and support to improve agricultural practices and adopt new technologies. They may assist with crop selection, pest management, and businesses planning. Salaries for agricultural extension officer can range from 50,000 Australian dollar to 90,000 Australian dollar per year. Plant breeder. Plant breeders focus on developing new plant varieties with improved traits such as higher yield, disease resistant, or better nutritional content. They conduct research, perform genetic studies, and collaborate with farmers and seed companies. Salaries for plant breeder can range from 60,000 Australian dollar to 1,20,000 Australian dollar per year. Precision Agriculture Specialist. Precision agricultural specialists use technology and data analysis to optimize farm management practices. They work with tools like GPS, remote sensing, and data analytics to enhance efficiency, reduce input costs, and increase yields. Salaries for precision agriculture specialists can range from 60,000 Australian dollar to 1,10,000 Australian dollar, which is a big amount for us. And the next job opportunity is agricultural sales representative. Agricultural sales representative promote and sell agricultural products, equipment, and services to farmer and agricultural businesses. They build relationships, provide product knowledge, and negotiate contracts. Salaries for agricultural sales representative can vary with commissions often playing a significant role in earning. Agricultural journalist or communicator. Agricultural journalist or communicator work in media outlets or as a freelancers covering agricultural news, trends, and issues. They may write articles, create videos, or manage communication strategies for agricultural organizations. Salaries for agricultural journalists can vary depending on the type of media and experiences. Horticulturist. Horticulturists specialize in the cultivation, management, and research of plants, especially fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants. They may work in commercial farms, botanical gardens, or research institutes. Salaries for horticulturists can range from 50,000 Australian dollar to 90,000 Australian dollar per year. Remember that these salaries ranges are approximate and can vary based on factors such as experience, location, and a specific employer. It's advisable to research further and consult job search website or industry associations for more detailed and up-to-date information on specific job roles and their salary packages. If you found this video helpful, then please share with your friends and subscribe our YouTube channel AgriFutura and share with your friends.